Can you hear this? The sound of silence. Oh, now that the baby is finally asleep, I get to clean my house. Today's video would be the speed cleaning routine of my main floor while my son is asleep during the nap time. And it would be my living room, my kitchen, and the back room that I'll be cleaning using all natural ingredients, using the products, the cleaning products that I make myself. But before we begin, let's see exactly what has to happen before the silence moment can actually kick in. Time for a nap, which means the wild goose chase is about to begin. Think he had enough, but no, some more energy is still left. We need to shake it out. Alright, I finally caught this little one and I'm putting on his sleeping stuff. This is just a little jacket that he's wearing because he's sleeping in the basement where it is pretty cold. And I keep the window open. So yeah, here we are going for a nap. Yeah, just a little bit of smiles for the group. And a kiss. Yeah, that's right. And now we're going for a nap. So I start by preparing myself a little snack because I haven't eaten yet. So I'm making a smoothie using a banana and avocado, and I also add a splash of milk there and some flaxseed. There we go. I could have added a little bit more milk, but no matter, this is still really good. Well, this mama is gonna have a really relaxing speed cleaning. I'm gonna listen to Game of Thrones, which is what my current audiobook is, and watch the baby on the baby monitor while I'm getting all the things done. This is my current dishwash soap. I actually use it for all the soaps around the house, around all the bathrooms. It really smells really nice of lavender and it's pure organic and really nice. It cleans very well. Is my daily kitchen surface sanitizer, and the recipe for it is in the description box down below. Still kind of feel like a cannon shot a hole through my stomach, so I really need some carbs, and this bagel with cheese will do just fine. Now I'm preparing my son's lunch for when he wakes up. Here's a digestive supplement that I use for healthy gut, and some mango slices that are frozen for now, so I'll be defrosting them. Finally, I add a bowl of soup. This is really delicious. I make it myself and I have a recipe for it down in the description box. This is by far my favorite moment, when I finally finished with chores and can just enjoy a clean kitchen. Now I'll just quickly vacuum clean around the main floor. It only takes me about 10 minutes, so it's not a big chore, but I love how fresh everything feels after. We have 2 dogs, so by far we need to vacuum clean quite often. Next, I'll be cleaning my main floor powder room, and the recipe for the all-purpose cleaner is in the description box. For the sanitizing solution, I just use 50% water and 50% rubbing alcohol. I also tie this little ribbon over the sanitizing solution so I can tell it apart from the all-purpose cleaner. Windows and mirrors with the 50% alcohol and 50% water. It leaves everything sparkling and works just really well. Instead of using air freshener, I like to add some essential oils into the toilet brush holder. Extra care cleaning the main floor toilet, the flush button, the child lock, and the door handle on the main floor bathroom, because my son will get into everything and will touch everything. So I like to sanitize it with the 50% alcohol, 50% water. Then I know that everything is safe, it's clean, and I don't have to worry. The last thing I'll do is take all of my 100% cotton rags that I've been using to clean my house and put them in the washing machine at a high temperature, extreme wash, so they come out perfectly clean and ready for the next use. Waiting for the time to let go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us, and now we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life, and sometimes all you need is a smile. You made up your mind just to see it through. There's nobody else here waiting. Just tell me how to get through to you. This guy is up from his nap, which concludes my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more clean inspiration videos, DIYs, nutritional tips, you name it. Lots of fun stuff. So yeah, I hope you can stick around, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!